Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to upload WordPress website from localhost to server. We will use a simple WordPress plugin and our website will be transferred within 5 minutes. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website on the localhost, and today we are going to move this WordPress website to our server and we will move it here on this domain. To do this, first of all we need to log into our WordPress website's dashboards. So right now I am in the dashboard of my local website. So I'm going to click on plugins and then click on add plugin. Now search for WPVivid. Click on install now. Click on activate. So we need to install this plugin on both the websites. So now we will go to the live website dashboard. Click on plugins, add new. Search for WPVivid. Click on install. Click activate. So our plugin is now installed on both of our WordPress website. So now we will go to our localhost WordPress website dashboard. From the localhost website, we will select database plus files option and then click on backup now. And our backup process is now started. It will take a little bit time depending on the size of your website. Our backup is now finished. Now we are going to scroll down to the backup section and here we will see the backup. So we are going to click on download from here. Again click on download. And our backup will start downloading to our computer. So our backup is now downloaded. Now we will go back to our live website and from the bottom we will select upload. Click on select files, select the backup and then click on open from here. Click on upload and now our backup is uploading to our live website. So as you can see that our backup is now finished uploading. Click on OK from here. And now if I scroll down to the backup section on the live website and here we will see the backup. So we are going to click on restore from here. Click on restore again. Select OK and our backup is now restoring. Once the restore is completed, click on OK. And as you can see that our localhost website is now transferred to the live website. And now we need to enter our localhost website credentials here and then click on login. So I will go back to my localhost website, copy the user from here and paste it here. After that we need to add our password. Once you have added your localhost username and password, click on login. And as you can see that we have successfully transferred our localhost website to the live server. So now if I click on visit website from here and refresh it, and here we will see our localhost website. So this is how you can transfer your website from localhost to live server. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.